All right, welcome back. Welcome back to the 5-step formula of fluent sight reading. This is Lucian Liu from EasyPianoHacks. And in this lesson, we are finally going to show you how to read notes in music using patterns. Let's jump right into this. Now, looking at the workbook, we are on step 5. Last time we left you guys off with a suspenseful cliffhanger. We are going to be reading 9 exercises to be able to play Mozart's Sonata in C major. This is the attempt here. What I've done, in order to make this easier, you could spend all your time, as fast as I can name these notes, C, E, G, B, C, D, C, A, G, C, all the way to the end. It's still not as fast as if I were to read this based on musical patterns. So if you look here, one of the first patterns that I want to point out to you so you can understand this, which takes care of half of this entire melody, is called the Alberti bass. Now the Alberti bass is a pattern that was most predominantly used in the classical period. You would find this in not only Mozart's pieces, you'd find this in other sonatas, other sonatinas by Beethoven, by Clementi, by Kuhlau, by all these other composers. Now the point of all this is to help you understand that if this pattern is used in everybody's songs, if you learn this the one time, you would be set for life for this entire pattern every time that you saw this. Isn't that kind of cool? Now, if we look from the beginning to the end, this pattern goes all the way from the beginning to the end. All we got to care about now is how to play the right hand. That's one way to look at it. I've broken this down even simpler to show you the progression, okay? Let's go jump ahead to step 5, the 9 exercises.